what's the best way? Let's see if you guys can think outside the box to find investors in that local area.
Call the REI areas.
Out-of-state owners.
How do you find the out-of-state owners?
Or, well, I use the property records. I can run a search. Absentee owners is what I meant to say.
Yeah. So,
What about Craigslist?
Yeah, Craigslist would be another one. I buy, I buy houses and stuff, but the numbers. So here's what you need to look at is what are the numbers, and go back and see the other local ones that are there. What is their ROI? Is yours high enough that you can add, even if it's $3,000, that you can add $3,000 and bring it down to what the average is? If it is, you'll be able to sell it.